The Saubhagya scheme, a central government initiative, has brought much-needed electricity to unelectrified households in rural areas of West Khasi Hills district. The scheme has provided free electricity connections and other facilities to residents, transforming their lives. Seatley residents who have benefited from the scheme express their gratitude to the government for providing free electricity. On the other hand, the residents are facing a new challenge in rising electricity bills. They are requesting the government to look into this matter and provide relief to those struggling to pay their bills.
Can it to pay?
Belah de cinta belah tebai bama cinta belah tebai sekilat belah tebai dawai bayi de cukup kepada surkar lah dah de seperti dunia